Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Thanks a lot for coming back to watch another cleaning motivational video. In today's video, I'll be cleaning our living room as well as vacuuming the carpet, the rug, and also cleaning our vacuum cleaner. So I'm sure this is loaded with a lot of motivation for you guys. So welcome. If you're new here, thanks a lot for clicking on this video. Let me quickly introduce myself. I am Leah Njoki. Here we get motivated to clean, to organize, to declutter. If that is the kind of content that gets you interested, be sure to subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so that you're notified when I upload. And if you are my returning subscribers, thank you guys. God bless you so much. I truly appreciate you. Kindly bear with me, the lighting was not giving at all. When I was taking this video, I was trying to use the natural light. Our light fixtures, they have been giving us a disappointment because they're not as bright as we would like them to be. So we'll be having them changed in the course of time. So first I was removing all the seat covers so that I can wash them, and then I started on cleaning the windows. And then I went ahead and cleaned all the light fixtures and also started mopping. Later I vacuumed the carpet, the rug, and also I cleaned the vacuum cleaner. So I like to share a verse with you guys, and today's verse is coming from the book of Hebrews chapter 12 verse 14, and it says, "Pursue peace with all people and holiness, without which no one will see the Lord." These light fixtures are so beautiful and I love them, but they have been such a disappointment because I think they are getting old. Do they have a lifespan? I think they do. So they are not giving much light as they used to. So I'm thinking of having them changed. To be quite an investment, so we might just have to take our time and shop around. So then I went ahead and started to remove the cobwebs. This is usually a weekly routine for me. Every Saturday I make sure that I remove the cobwebs. Spiders love this house and cobwebs build up very fast. So then I started mopping. In my water I have detergent, I have a few drops of essential oils just to make sure that the house is smelling nice. Look at what I found under the sofa, a plate of food, and when I asked around, nobody knew about that.
my colored world tonight, as beautiful as it seems. I wish it were black and white. I wanna let you in, where the chemicals collide and every emotion flares.
It was such an easy time for me to clean because all the kids were not in, so I was doing very fast. I was loving how fast I was getting everything done.
The colors seem to change, the brightest of yellows fade away. My life is a prism, and every color seems to fall into my world. In love with a girl who makes it easier to say. My life is a prism, and every color paints the miracle I left. My life is a prism, and I wanna let you in. I wanna let you in to my iridescent life. We could dance atop the sun, or float across the sky.
So I had taken this rag to the car wash so that it can be washed. I really didn't have time to clean it, but every time after I clean, I like to vacuum the debris of food, like the plate that you saw there, and dust that requires the rag to be vacuumed.
In love with a girl who makes it easier to say. My life is a prism, and every color paints the miracle I left. My life is a prism, and I wanna let you in. Well, I just saw my colors paint a pretty picture, 'cause I want nothing more than us to be together. And I just saw my blue zone turn your ghost to gray. My life is a prism, but I think I wanna stay. But I think I wanna stay. My life is a prism, and every color seems to fall into my world. In love with a girl who makes it easier to say. My life is a prism.
My sofas have been trashed, you guys. This is how old they are looking, and when I tried to put my hand inside here, and I was coming out with a lot of dirt. So I was like, my goodness, what is happening here? So I took the vacuum cleaner, and there is a small nozzle that can be used to get to the crevices to get all the dirt out.
Let you in.
all the vacuuming, the vacuum cleaner was really dirty, so I decided to give it a good clean. So for this upper part, the motor, it's not supposed to touch water, so that one you just wipe, but every other part can be cleaned using water and soap. So after cleaning them, I took them outside to dry, and they were all dry and clean and nice and ready for another vacuuming episode. So thanks a lot guys for staying with me up to this point. I appreciate you guys. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye. God bless you.